Hello everyone, welcome back. The purpose of this hopefully rather brief video is to introduce you to, first of all, myself and to the content of the rest of the course. So this is me here, I'm Richard Lobb, and I'm taking over from Andy for the rest of the videos in this course. Andy's a hard act to follow, but I'll do my best. You'll see that my official job title is Adjunct Senior Fellow, which is kind of a euphemism for retired old fart. I'm actually temporary part-time staff member here, and I've been temporary now for some 15 years, so it's not actually very temporary at all, and it's not very part-time either. Feel free to drop by my office anytime. My office room number is Jack Erskine 211, or you can email me at that address. I teach mostly programming in this department because I'm rather passionate about programming, and I hope to share that with you. So first of all, just a quick recap of where we've come to so far in the course. We've now got what we can call a basic programmer's toolkit. We know about the basic data types, integers, floating point numbers, strings of characters, and booleans, and the various operators that we can use to manipulate those. We know about collections like lists and tuples, and we can write stuff to files and read it from files. We know about the idea of flow of control. That is, we proceed step by step through the program until we come to one of the constructs to control the flow differently, which is either an if statement to select this bit or this bit, and we can loop over things with for loops and while loops. So a for loop, we iterate over the elements in a collection, a list or a tuple or something like that, and a while loop, we iterate until some condition is satisfied. And you'll be familiar with the idea of breaking things down into functions. We'll have a lot more to say about that in the rest of the course. Anyway, these are the basic tools of programming in just about any language, and we can solve just about any problem with those tools. However, there are a few more to come yet in Python, some even more advanced tools, if you like, the notions of sets and dictionaries, and a very, very important concept, that of classes. We can write our own classes to decompose problems and data in various ways, and we call that object-oriented or OO programming. We'll just introduce the very basics of that. Graphical user interface programming, event-driven programming, we'll touch on too at the end of the course. These then are the tools of Python. The question then is, how do you use those tools to build larger programs? By analogy, you may be very good with a hammer and nails and saws and chisels and things like that, but if you were asked to build a house with them, you might be in trouble. So we're going to talk a little bit about the larger issues of developing software. Talk about how you design software, how do you go about developing it, what constitutes a good program, a nicely styled program. And we'll have a lot more to say about functional decomposition, that is, breaking a larger problem down into smaller ones. This week we're going to have a potpourri of various things: modules, namespaces, functions, exceptions, and debugging, and I won't say any more about those now. Tune into the next video to find out more. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.